Next problem, prove that the radical axis of circles x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0, x square plus y square plus 2g dash x plus 2f dash y plus c dash equals 0 is the diameter of the latter circle. Latter circle means this one, second circle. If 2g dash into g minus g dash plus 2f dash into f minus f dash equal to c minus c dash. That is what we have to prove that. So given circles S congruence x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 and S dash congruence x square plus y square plus 2g dash x plus 2f dash y plus c dash equal to 0. Now the radical axis of S and S dash is S minus S dash equal to 0. So that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c minus of x square plus y square plus 2g dash x plus 2f dash y plus c dash equals 0. This is the radical axis of two circles S and S dash. Now x square y square will be cancelled. So 2 into g minus g dash into x plus 2 into f minus f dash into y plus c minus c dash is equal to 0. This is the radical axis of two circles. Now you have to derive a condition so that this radical axis is the diameter of later circle. Now consider the center of S dash, that is minus g dash comma minus f dash. Now given line, this line equation 1 is the diameter of later circle. So equation 1 is the diameter of S dash is equal to 0. That implies center lies on the line. Now substitute minus g dash comma minus f dash on this line. You will get 2 into g minus g dash into minus g dash minus 2 into f minus f dash into f dash plus c minus c dash is equal to 0. So you will get 2 into g minus g dash into g dash plus 2 into f minus f dash into f dash is equal to c minus c dash. That is the required circles, that is the required condition so that the line radical axis is the diameter of latter circle. Next problem, find the equation of the circle whose diameter is the common chord of two circles and find also the length of the common chord. Here they have given two circles like this. These are the two circles. You have to find the equation of the circle whose diameter is the common chord of these two circles. So this is the common chord of these two circles. So you have to find a circle which is having this common chord as the diameter. So this is the circle having the common chord as the diameter. So you have to find that circle having common chord as the diameter. Further you have to find the length of the common chord. Length of the common chord is nothing but the diameter of the required circle. So you can find it very easily. Now given circles x square plus y square plus 2x plus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. S be the given circle and S dash be the circle x square plus y square plus 4x plus 3y plus 2 equal to 0. These are the given two circles S and S dash. Now common chord of S and S dash is S minus S dash is equal to 0. That is the radical axis. Common chord of two intersecting circle is the radical axis. So that is S minus S dash equal to 0. So you will get minus 2x 1 minus 2 minus 1 equal to 0. So it will be 2x plus 1 equal to 0. This is the common chord. Now I have a common chord. Now there is a circle passing through the intersections of this circle. S is equal to 0 and this line L is equal to 0. So that required circle can be written as S plus lambda L is equal to 0. So required circle is S plus lambda L is equal to 0. So that can be written as x square plus y square plus 2x plus 3y plus 1 plus lambda into 2x plus 1 equal to 0. This is our required circle. Now this is the required circle having center on this common chord, because common chord is the diameter of the required circle. Now this can be written as x square plus y square plus 2 plus 2 lambda into x plus 3y plus 1 plus lambda is equal to 0. Now consider the center of this circle. Center minus of 1 plus lambda comma minus 3 by 2. Here 2g is equal to 2 plus 2 lambda. So g is equal to 1 plus lambda. Center is minus g comma minus a. Now clearly the center lies on this common chord. So it lies on 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So 2 into minus of 1 plus lambda plus 1 equal to 0. Minus 2 lambda plus 1 equal to 0. 2 lambda is equal to minus 1. Lambda is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now replace the value of lambda is equal to minus 1 by 2 here. You will get the required circle as x square plus y square plus 2x plus 3y plus 1 minus 1 by 2 into 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So 2x square plus 2y square or 2 into x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y plus 2 minus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So the required circle is 2 into x square plus y square plus 2x plus 6y plus 1 equal to 0. So this is the required circle having center on the common chord. Now we need to find the length of the common chord. Common chord is nothing but the diameter of the circle. So let us find the radius of this circle. So radius of this circle is here. This can be written as x square plus y square plus x plus 3y plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. So here 2z is equal to 1, g is equal to 1 by 2, 2f is equal to 3, f is equal to 3 by 2. So radius r is equal to root over 1 by 4 plus 9 by 4 minus 1 by 2. So that is equal to root of 1 plus 9 minus 2 by 4. Root 8 by 2. Root 8 by 2 it will be, root 8 by 4. So it will be root 2. Now we have the radius of that required circle. Now common chord is nothing but the diameter of the circle. So length of the common chord is equal to 2r, that is 2 root 2. That is the required answer. Next problem. Find the equation of the if the straight line x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p, intersect the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square at the points a and b, then show that the equation of the circle having AB as diameter is x square plus y square minus a square minus 2p into x cos alpha plus y sin alpha minus p is equal to 0. It is given that a line x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p and x square plus y square is equal to a square has intersected at the 2 points a and b like this. The line intersected the circle at the 2 points a and b. Now you have to find a circle which is having this AB as the diameter, which is having this line segment AB as the diameter. This is the required circle which is having AB as the diameter. So let equation 1 and equation 2. Given that 1 and 2 intersecting at A and B. Now the required circle is S plus lambda L is equal to 0, since it is passing through the intersections of a line and a circle. So it can be written as x square plus y square minus a square plus lambda into x cos alpha plus y sin alpha minus p is equal to 0. This is the required circle having AB as the diameter. Now this can be written as x square plus y square plus lambda x cos alpha plus lambda y sin alpha plus minus a square minus p lambda is equal to 0. Now this required circle is having AB as the diameter. Now consider center C minus lambda cos alpha by 2 minus lambda sin alpha by 2. Now this center lies on x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p, because this line is the diameter of the required circle. So minus lambda cos alpha by 2 into cos alpha plus minus lambda sin alpha by 2 into sin alpha is equal to p. So minus lambda by 2 into cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is equal to p. Lambda is equal to minus 2p. Now observe the concept in this problem. They have given that a line and a circle has intersected at 2 points. You have to find a circle passing through those 2 points, which are the intersections of S is equal 0 and L is equal 0. And further, that required circle is having that line segment AB as its diameter. So our required circle is S plus lambda L is equal 0, which is the circle passing through the intersections of S is equal 0 and L is equal 0. We have written it in this form and we have considered its center on the line because the line is the diameter of the circle. So replace lambda is equal to minus 2p in the required circle. X square plus y square minus a square minus 2p into x cos alpha plus y sin alpha minus p is equal to 0. That is the solution of the problem. Now you can write this problem as your homework. Here also they have given that you have to find the equation of the circle passing through the intersections of these two circles. So you need to find the radical axis and you have to write the required circle in the form s plus lambda l equal 0. Further, the circle having center on this line x by a plus minus y by b is equal to 2. You can find the value of lambda by using that line. So this is your homework. Thank you very much.